I had issues sleeping last night because I just didn't want the day to end. Because if I fell asleep, it meant that we had to leave. And even now, like, I'm just like quickly getting dressed to make sure everything is packed. It's not because I want to leave. It's gloomy outside. Somehow makes everything all worse. I miss the ocean already. Next time we go on a Disney cruise, we'll have an inside room with a magic porthole. Ooh. Bye-bye, Aladdin stateroom. All the restaurants are in the back of the ship, and you can follow the carpet to see which direction is forward and which direction. And she fell in love. It was really easy. Sad faces all around. Nobody's happy. Everybody out. I did not realize the cafe would be open.
Disney Treasure guests, may I have your attention, please? Local Customs and Border Protection have now cleared the Disney Treasure, and at this time, any guests who are participating in our Express Walk-Off program and are carrying all of their own luggage off are welcome to disembark the ship via the gateway located on Deck 3 mid-ship. For those guests not carrying their own luggage off the ship, we invite you to rest comfortably on board until the Disney Treasure has been cleared for general disembarkation. Please have your Key to the World card out and ready to be swiped off the ship. Once inside the terminal building, you will be required to provide a proof of citizenship for the inspection by Customs and Border Protection. Be advised that no fresh fruits, vegetables, plant materials, meat, or animal products may be brought off of the ship. If you have any of these items, please discard them in the amnesty bins as you disembark. This is the last opportunity for any lost and found items from this voyage. Please check with guest services before disembarking the ship. Once again,
I don't want to leave. I'm in denial. I've got cruise vacation withdrawals. So something else that they do on Disembarkation Day is they play like finale music from all the Disney movies. I'm sad. This is the disembarkation menu for everybody. What are you getting as your goodbye breakfast?
I'm going to get a French toast and then the eggs for the road. Scrambled eggs and a side of pepper.
And what are we getting, Jared?
I'm getting the pancakes.
And then I'm getting French toast. And I think we're splitting the eggs for the road, right?
If you want to.
We could do that. So Jared and I, for the first time, did the 10% off book a cruise on board a cruise discount. You get 10% if you book basically a placeholder cruise. So what they did is you typed in your email, how many staterooms you were going to need, and then they send you an email. I guess they process it to see if they're able to... Did they charge me or did they charge you for that? We'll find that out eventually. And then once it's been approved, they give you a link to go and book your, like, the actual cruise. So it's just like basically a cruise within the next 24 months of your whatever day you're getting it. So like, remember when they delayed us getting on the ship? That could have been that there was a delay in getting everybody off the ship. That's why we want to get off and leave as quickly and as swiftly and as easily as possible for the next group, even though we don't want to leave. I've gone through, would you say it's the 5 stages of grief?
Jaeger.
I was very depressed. I cried pretty much all afternoon yesterday. And then this morning I was like really depressed when it was gloomy outside, like really just like deep depression. And now sitting down, I'm just mad.
See, I still have the happiness because I'm still in Florida.
I'm just mad. Yeah, you're still on vacation.
Yeah, like I'm not home yet. Like I'll definitely be sad when I am driving home. I'll probably have to switch
Goodness. But I picked out, if we had internet, I would have been able to pick the actual cruises, but I made a list of all the staterooms that we want because we're going on the Destiny. Yay! And the Destiny has fun themed rooms. The Fantasy I didn't really care. It was like which floor and what type.
What are their themes?
For the Destiny, the Fantasy doesn't have. So the Triton series is the only series that has themed rooms.
Oh my gosh, wait, what? I don't think I realized that.
So when I say that like this is a Disney cruise and the other ships are like a cruise that is themed to Disney.
Yes.
So the Fantasy, the Dream, the Magic, and the Wonder are all cruise lines or cruise ships that are Disney themed.
I'm like recalling Rotation's vlog where she went on the Wonder, I think, and it went
They're
to
all-
Alaska.
they're
and
all-
the rooms were just
Gold, navy, and red. Those are their themes with hints of Disney. They're beautiful ships,
Yeah.
but they're not Disney ships in my mind. So yeah, the Triton
But
series.
the only big thing is like the restaurants.
Yeah.
Okay, wow.
Yep. That's why Jared and I were like trying to tell my in-laws we're going on a cruise with my in-laws. We were like, what room do you want? And they're like, what do you mean? Like the rooms are themed. Which themed room do you want? Because you have to pick a specific room. You can't just even pick a specific deck because each deck on the Triton series has 2 themes. So, yeah. I devoured our eggs, but this is what we got. You got pancakes, we got scrambled eggs, bacon, hash brown, sausage, tomato, my French toast. Stephanie's happy. Bye-bye, treasure. I literally almost started crying the moment we went to scan our key to the world. Look at this giant Taylor Swift ad. Woohoo! Yes. So we should have already paid for parking. We just scan the QR code when we leave.
Barcode, but yes.
Thank goodness that cast member was able to help carry us all of our stuff in.
Yeah, I was like, that was amazing.
Yeah, Jared and I have never had to. I mean, we've typically had like less baggage. I can't believe that we made we did have to do laundry now I think about it. I was like, I can't believe we did an entire week-long cruise for our honeymoon, but I don't think we bought enough clothes.
You guys did
Right, we did laundry halfway
very
through.
minimal
Yeah.
laundry.
Next time I will probably bring maybe slightly less and then just plan to do laundry. I feel like it's so much easier that we have to pack so much stuff.
Yeah, it saves so much. I way overpacked. Which I think I knew I was going to, but like after I had condensed everything on FaceTime, I thought like, okay, this is gonna be a lot better.
We've been home for so long and you're still feeling seasick?
Dude, it literally is like just.
Oh yeah, I feel it rocking.
I don't feel sick. I just feel like.
You feel like making yourself rock?
But like, why did this not happen when we were on Castaway?
I'm not sure.
Weird.
It could be because we were so distracted.
Huh?
It could be because we were so distracted. You're feeling that too, Jared?
Mm-hmm.
You're feeling it too, Jared?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I naturally rock back and forth. So, like, to me, I don't notice it too much then. I keep moving around. I'm not sitting down as well. Yeah, so cool. Home safe with the bad boys. Say goodnight, Rubian. Good night.
Oh gosh.